I have a new room. I have moved out of my parents' place into my friend's house, and it looks all different and shiny and no dust anywhere. Hey, hello, and I'm back here with another video, and today we're gonna custom design these Air Force One Nikes. And I don't know if you guys have seen online, there's big hype on custom design shoes, so felt kind of inspired. I want to try it out, and good thing my brother was also wanting to have some new shoes, so he requested me to design some One Piece inspired custom shoes, and his favorite character is Zoro, so I'll be designing on both sides of different images of Zoro. So I'm quite excited to try out. This will be my first time, so I want to take you on this journey of discovering how to actually make these kind of shoes, because I have no idea. I've been researching a lot online, and yeah, see how it goes, and I hope you guys will enjoy this video of discovering how to make these custom design shoes, and maybe you would want to try out yourselves. Yeah, so thank you, and I hope you enjoy. I started off by drawing the images on my tablet and then used tracing paper to go over it to match the areas I'll be drawing on the shoe. This helped with getting the right size to make sure the whole image was on the desired area of the shoe and didn't miss any parts out. But I had to redraw a few times to get the right size, but all in all, I feel like this technique helped a lot, and it'll give me some guidance for pasting it later. So these are the shoes. So I just used the tracing paper and traced over it to transfer some details. I know where exactly his body will be, and then later on I'll put the details on later. So it's just good guidance, I guess. Hopefully it'll look fine. I guess with tracing it, it makes the image a little slightly smaller, but I think it'll still be fine. We'll just have to see how it goes. It's all experiments, you know, trying out new things. I hope this is the clever way to do it. We'll have to see. About the pencil, hopefully the pencil will be fine against the paints, who knows, not sure about that for now, but we'll see. A bit smudgy on the other parts, probably from my fingers, but yeah, pretty excited. Let's continue. So after I researched on what people use for custom painting shoes, I found out that Angelus acrylic leather paint were the best kind, and I got a set of colours for future projects and the Angelus matte acrylic finisher. I purchased these fine line brushes so I can paint clean fine lines for the manga art, and I got all these from good old Amazon. So let's begin painting, and I started off with the black paint. Good God, no! All good. I just scrubbed it really hard, it came off, so all good. So here I filled in more details of the image so it'll be easier to paint on properly later. And I did this on both sides of the shoe. And then I started using the black paint finally to go over my traced drawing, just going over all the details. So after using these brushes that I purchased, I noticed they were still kind of thick to use and not as fine as I wanted, so I purchased these new ones. Oh God. And they were so much better. I could actually paint more fine, and it was so much easier to do like really straight thin lines with these ones, so I definitely recommend these really long brushes. So the outcome of this first drawing, I'm kind of happy with it. It could have been way better with these new brushes that I purchased if I started with those ones first, but hey, all experiments. Yeah, it still looks good to me. Yeah, so much happier with this second drawing, with the lines being more constant and clear. Using the Angelus matte acrylic finisher, I put about 3 or 4 coats of it on my drawing. Keep it clean, fight against the rain, yeah! And here are the final products. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with both images on either shoe. They look really nice and clean. And the finisher gives it a good nice shine to it as well. Just hope they'll last a long time. Let's see. Yeah, that looks good, eh?
Oh, are you gonna sit?
I'll just be behind because I don't have any makeup. So, these are your shoes. Let's see your reaction, eh?
Oh. Sweet.
I put 3 layers of the finish on it, so hopefully it'll be fine.
So it should be waterproof then.
Well, hopefully.
Can you do this black as well?
Do me? That's hard. Can't be hard.
Wait, are they... Isn't this meant to be on the inside of both of them?
Yeah, that's the thing, right? So... Well, them.
Oh no! All right, so you did
Because it's
them.
the arrow, right?
Yeah.
Need to be the same arrow.
Yeah.
So we'll have to flip it if you wanted it on the
No,
same
yeah,
side.
makes sense.
Yeah, so what do you think?
Yeah, good.
You happy with them?
Yeah, it's nice. Tears.
You like the purple?
Yeah, the purple's good.
Okay, good.
How difficult was it to replicate the
What?
same
Oh
drawing?
god, I mean, that's how I traced it on both of them, so hopefully they look the same, because I drafted the same drawing on both, so it took me fucking ages, mate.
Cool.
Try them on, see what they look like. Little switch moves, eh? Oh yeah, uh-huh. Oh yeah, and then I could like just pan up a little. Wee. Lovely.
Lovely jubbly.
Lovely, jubbly. Happy with them, eh?
Tears.
You gonna wear them a lot?
Oh, that's it.
Ah, sweet. That's what I want.
Yeah, who did them for you, like? Oh, my sister.
My sister did it. This is her Instagram.
I'll show you Instagram.
You better.
Well, get these posted on your Instagram, and I'll be like, oh, that's the shoes.
Hey. My treasure. I also got another one. Ha, my eyes look funny. I love it. Anyway, are you done?